feeling a little bit of the altitude symptoms. I guess all of my acclimatization went away after 3 months. We are going to be headed to California. We're headed to sea level. We are gonna knock this crap out before it gets me too bad. This week we are in California. I know that last week's video ended a little bit crazy and we just needed to head to sea level to start feeling better, but as you can see, we're in the beautiful golden state of California and we're at the Citrus Historic State Park, the State Citrus Historic Park, something like that. And we're about to go learn about all the citrus here. We're surrounded by orange trees. I mean, what could be better than this? What could be more healing?
This place is sick. I think it might be, for nature, the best state in the whole United States. We haven't been to Alaska or Hawaii, but they got mountains and beach. Real. Now you know.
Well, that was a quick visit. They're actually closing up right now, but they had all of this fresh cut oranges and like a yellow grapefruit. They said this is grapefruit. And so they offered us some slices, which is super nice, despite the fact they're closed up. So let's give it a try. Here goes the yellow grapefruit. It's like a normal grapefruit, but really, really, really mild. Not like as tangy. The orange. Oh wow, that's so fresh. Literally the freshest orange.
Whoa,
Cheers.
You're losing some of the juice. Is that a lime? Oh no, that's grapefruit. Everything is green before it turns to its color, so when it turns its color, it looks like it ripens, and then that's when you can eat them.
Yeah, I guess we're learning all citrus is green.
Yeah,
before it gets ripe. Oh, here's the lemons.
Oh, pink.
There's so many on the ground, but it says do not take, so we're not going to, obviously, but there's like so many on the ground. Oh, these are the pink lemons. They don't look very pink, but that's what they're called. I wonder if on the inside they're pink. So cute.
This is just the standard orange.
Navel orange.
Yeah, it's just like your standard orange, I believe.
Mandarins.
Gold nugget mandarin.
Look at those little babies. So cute. Well, that was short-lived. We'll have to come back to see the history museum because I would like to learn about the history of why California is the citrus state.
Oh, I forgot it was the citrus state.
She quite literally thought of everything and is so nice. Like, left us gifts out here. She came and greeted us, told us how to get in, told us how to use their gate. This is a gated home, which also makes us feel really good with our, you know, truck camper and everything we own being in the truck right now. Wow. This is such an amazing landing spot for California to be greeting us this way. Because you guys, if you watched the last video, you know Colorado did us pretty dirty. So arriving in California and having such a nice greeting, having this place, she literally has a candle lit for when we walk in the door. Like, I couldn't think of anything that could have been done better. This place is so nice. Look, like, the grapes are still cold. What in the world? And it's pet friendly, so bonus. I know we haven't even stayed here an ounce yet, but I can already tell you they have Rummy Cube, one of our favorite games. You can play it 2-player too. I can already tell you this is gonna be a place that we definitely suggest. It wasn't unreasonably priced either. And it's not one of those like connected to the house Airbnbs where it's like there's a door that's just locked off and like it's literally connected to their house and like your dogs can sniff each other under the door. There's no door that really connects to their house, just the walls are connected to their house. So we feel super, like it's a super private space too. Hello, it's a new day. Sorry we kind of left you guys hanging yesterday, but it was just a little too much for me going out to the citrus park, and then we got groceries and I thought I was gonna pass out. So spent the rest of the night at home, well, at our Airbnb, which are home right now. We got to cook something in the oven, which is nice because we don't have an oven here in our truck camper. And now we're just headed to see downtown Riverside a little bit. We're gonna pace ourselves because I'm still not fully back to normal with the altitude stuff.
Wow.
We just arrived at our lunch spot, Tio's Tacos, and it is really cool so far. I got a cucumber agua fresca, we got some chips and salsa, and then you just come and wait at your table and they bring you all the food.
Yeah, this place is probably the most unique, by far, Mexican restaurant, maybe restaurant ever I've been to. There's just so much going on.
There's so much going on. It's truly a work of art. It's like going to an art gallery and a restaurant all in one. We made it to Huntington Beach. We made it to sea level. Let's hope that registers with my body because I did not feel very good after just an outing to eat some tacos. But I think this will be worth it. I think it'll pay off and maybe something mentally will register, like we're at sea level, stop going into panic, altitude sickness mode.
I agree.
I want to feel the water. I know it's always so much colder in California. It's cold, but not too cold. Like, it feels pretty good compared to the heat. Cheers.
Cheers. Maddie almost just drowned.
I just almost drowned. I took it a little too far. I was like, I'm feeling good. I want to go in the water. And then I told Jared to like go under a wave. And then I was looking up at how ginormous the wave is. Because it's like a really good surfing beach. And then the wave took me like in the washing machine spiral with it. So if that doesn't snap you out of it, I don't know what will. It's so nice here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
The beach felt so good and healing. Honestly, I'm not gonna speak too soon because this whole thing comes in waves of just like feeling so lethargic and like I can't catch my breath from like a simple task. So I'm not gonna say I feel better, but I felt really good while we were at the beach. So that's a plus. Yeah, if you're feeling altitude sick, drive to sea level if you have the freedom to do so and jump in the water, baby, because that feels good. Good morning, it's a new day. Last night we just had a cozy night in. We watched some shows. We really only even snacked for dinner too. We didn't do much exciting. That magnesium from the seawater, it's the best magnesium to de-stress you and give you good sleep. So maybe we'll have to head back there. But Jared's got some work to do today, so it might be kind of a boring chore day. I'm gonna hit the laundromat after I make some coffee. Gonna make it kind of weak because this is the first day I'm having coffee back from being altitude sick. They say don't have caffeine and this is decaf, but I still just don't even dabble with a little bit of caffeine when I'm super altitude sick. So let's see how this feels. I'm just wanting a little bit of a pick-me-up before the laundromat, if you know what I mean. Among the many things this Airbnb left us, they left us this little cranberry Italian biscotti. So I'm definitely going to enjoy one of these with my coffee this morning. It just sounds like the perfect way to start my day. They didn't leave this for us open. We opened it and had some. It was all sealed up and closed. Brand new for us. My biscotte. Laundromats are actually so quick and efficient. Like, this place is so clean. It's called Pure Spin Laundromat. And, sorry, I was just doing stuff on my phone that I wasn't meaning to. Pure Spin Laundromat in Corona, California, and the wash cycle took 25 minutes, and like the washer was super clean, the dryer was just equally super clean, and you start in 8-minute increments. Oh, sorry guys. I'm a little hot right now, I guess. It's hot out. So yeah, I'm just sitting here waiting for my clothes. They're already in the dryer, and this hasn't even taken up an hour of my time, which is insane. And there's staff working in there that seems super nice, like super friendly. Sometimes laundromats can be sketchy, and this one just feels like it's run really well. So yeah, good stuff. I'm gonna have extra money. I put more money. I thought it was gonna be more expensive than it is on my laundry card, so maybe we'll come back here, even if we only have a few dirty things, in a couple days before we leave this area to head north and do some more laundry. Laundry is done. Now I can go do something fun that has been my little reward getting me through the chore time. So I was obviously confused because it's like almost 3 o'clock and I haven't had lunch yet. So going to stop back at the Airbnb, make some lunch. Jared might enjoy that as well while he's working a little bit. And then I'm going to head out to do the fun little thing that I wanted to do.
Use the right lane.
Chores take a lot longer than you think. I ended up having to go in and restart the dryer a couple of times just because I was doing so many clothes in one load. So I know I was saying it was super quick before, but it did end up taking some time. This cowboy caviar recipe was delicious. I highly suggest it, but it honestly made us really hungry for a sweet treat too. So we stopped our chores and headed to Benedetto Gelato at this place called the Farmhouse, which is like this open air food hall style place.
I got the tiramisu and some like peanut butter caramel type thing. So good.
And I got the lemonada and the strawberry sorbet. The lemonada is really cool. It has like basil and mint in the lemon sorbet. Really good combo. We are currently approaching the Mission Inn. You guys know I was talking about how I really wanted to go to this place as my little reward for doing all the laundry chore this morning, and we're finally here. This place is supposed to be absolutely gorgeous on the inside, and I can't wait to see. This place place is already beautiful and we haven't even walked inside yet, so I'm really excited. I wonder how much it is to stay here. Do you think it's in the budget of a couple budget travelers? I will say, online they make it seem like you can walk in here and see everything really easily, but it's actually a lot harder in real life to like find all the cute picturesque spots that they post up online. But it's still a really cool spot to come and see, and I think you should do it.
Little rooms, don't those look cool? They're like little Chinese.
Okay, I take back everything I said in the elevator. Just ride the elevator to the 4th floor and you can get to the area where all of the beauty is, and you can tell there's other people here too that aren't hotel guests, just kind of looking around and taking pictures, and it's gorgeous. I could sit up here for hours looking at all the details. I wish we could walk that little windy staircase all the way down though, but Jared read the sign. Apparently the railing height doesn't comply with safety codes, so all the people you see walking that staircase online are ducking the railing. What were you saying?
It's cool, admiring.
That's what the pool looks like. We just looked online, and literally to book tonight, it's like $150. So depending on the night, I think the price changes with it. Morning. It's a wonderful day, except for the fact that we have to check out of this Airbnb. This place has been so nice, so refreshing to have, and we're just really sad to check out. So we're probably gonna soak up every minute until the checkout at 11 a.m. Also because we're headed to camping after this, but I cannot recommend enough. The link to book this Airbnb is gonna be in the description notes for this video. If it's up and available, book it. I know she did say sometimes they have like family members come in town and stay in it, so it's not always available. So if you see it available, snag this place because it is so nice. And I'm so sad to be leaving. Look at all of this that I need to pack up. I did some laundry, a little shopping, our boxes. We don't really have that much in the kitchen. We have like these snacks, but we did get some groceries. And we're gonna bring them to the beach today, so a little bit. We kind of moved in, really made ourselves at home. One box done. So sad to leave such a wonderful stay. Welcome to a new vlog. We are going to show you our first night camping in California. Check it out, moving out, rolling out, leaving town. We're headed on to the next place.